Arweave has been having some fantastic luck since it previously became public. From its progressive plan to store the historical backdrop of humanity forever, the innovation of information stockpiling backing it up additionally impacted many individuals overall in its desires. The weighty collection of Arweave tokens this year additionally recommends that the confidence in this thought will make long-haul impacts. This is additionally stressed on the grounds that it as of now holds the position of number 80 in the top cryptographic forms of money on the planet. However, is the gigantic unpredictability it has been going through for the beyond 2 months a superb opportunity for going bullish pattern on our token? We should figure out the drawn-out Arweave cost expectation and dive more deeply into the organization. What is Arweave coin? The authority site of Arweave organization says that a convention permits a client to store information forever, reasonably with a solitary forthright expense. Utilizing a decentralized organization, it works like how Uber interfaces drivers with individuals who need transport. The Arweave convention basically coordinates individuals who need to store their information forever with people or associations with some free hard drive space. The Arweave convention makes a permob structure like a worldwide, long-lasting snare of pages and applications put away endlessly. The permob is kept up with by its local area individuals, who can contribute or get compensated for support. The permob isn't different when contrasted in the standard web. All of the substance on permob, from pictures to message, is long-lasting, recovered rapidly, and decentralized until the end of time. The organization involves R tokens for its administration, and it is altogether local area possessed. It likewise works as an open-source organization. The people group has fabricated a total arrangement of far-reaching instruments and administrations that empowers a client to send off totally decentralized administrations on top of the permob. The innovation behind Arweave. The Arweave convention is fueled by an innovation called Blockweave. What sets it not quite the same as other blockchains is that its blocks are connected to different past blocks from the organization. This blockchain-like design permits the organization to implement that excavators give verification of admittance to old information to add new blocks. The information chronicling is another standard being set by the Arweave. Through decentralization, the Arweave will actually want to hold all of the data of its permob. No verifiable data of the Arweave organization could be erased. To put it plainly, it permits history to be forever put away while guaranteeing the credibility and honesty of the substance. Current market status of Arweave. The digital money market is very hopeful about the eventual fate of Arweave coin. It offers a completely new information stockpiling system for clients like activists and columnists. The capacity is feasible, and the straightforward financial aspects permits clients to propagate the replication of data for eternity. To grasp the financial matters of Arweave, expect that when a few information is added to its organization, the client pays a chief sum in R, on which premium as stockpiling buying power is gathered. Over the long run, the interest on this one-time installment is given to those clients who altogether claimed hard drive for putting away that information and subsequently create a few gains by adding to the organization. It likewise includes content control, since the possible maltreatment of the permob will, probably, make the framework come up short at the point when the client presents an exchange to its organization. The Arweave information storers decide to imitate the related information. In the event that the storers accept that the substance shouldn't have been copied in light of the fact that it very well may be improper, they can deny the solicitation. Clients can likewise present a solicitation on their site on the off chance that they find any improper substance found on the permob. Starting from the start of the last year, the value activity of Arweave denoted a critical bull run. Be that as it may, these cost levels were not supported over the course of the following couple of months as the R cost step-by-step declined in a descending pattern. This continuous downfall took the ongoing cost of Arweave digital currency beneath its 50 days moving normal today. The cost of Arweave began a bull pursue weighty crypto market support in August 2021, sending the cost in excess of 400% upwards. This expanded the unpredictability, and the Arweave R cost remained profoundly unstable till the finish of the last year. The gathering circulation pointer shows no critical amassing at this point. Yet it ought to be noticed that the greater part of the extension occurred in the principal quarter of the last year. Thus, contrasted with the overall value development of the last year, the ongoing amassing isn't just gigantic. The Bollinger Group's examination shows that high instability was experienced from the outset of the last August till December 2021. In the primary quarter of the last year, the Arweave R cost was exchanging sideways, and titanic market cooperation pushed the cost upwards, making an improving crypto market from January to April with its cost changes. From that point forward, the R cost shot upwards again on high unpredictability was in August, when the RSI marker began making an overbought signal. It ought to be perceived that the overall strength file is best utilized in a sideways moving Arweave digital currency market, so it is as yet extreme to say whether the cost will stay stable for quite a while. The ongoing RSI level doesn't show any oversold or overbought signals, so for now it is judicious to stand by. It will be a superior system to long or short in light of the opposition level for the Arweave. The opposition level is $35 and the help level is $31. As per our cost anticipation, it is anticipated that the Arweave cost will reach $94.59 in the following year. With a 5-year productive speculation, the income is supposed to be around plus 709.33%. Your current $100 speculation might really depend on $809.33 in 2027 according to the projection of Wallet Financial Backer Specialists. According to our cost expectation, the Arweave cost is gauged to reach $36.43 by the start of January 2023. The normal most extreme cost is $45.54. The base cost is $30.97. The Arweave cost today is around $33 alongside a market cap of $1,106,452,925 and an exchanging volume of $32,820,891. The typical worth anticipated for the year 2022 is $44. The ongoing all-time high is $90.94. The ongoing all-out supply is 63,190,435 R, and the most extreme stock is 66 million R. Arweave Value Forecast 2022. The ongoing cost of our crypto is exchanging around $33. According to our cost gauge, the Arweave digital money is anticipated to arrive at any rate level of $42. In light of the cost expectations, the Arweave cost can arrive at a most extreme worth of $45. The Cost Forecast 2022 says that the typical cost all through the year will exchange around $43. At present, the help level is around $31. On the off chance that the development keeps on being something similar, putting would be useful over the long haul. Arweave Value Forecast 2023. In light of our cost expectation and our own examination, the cost of Arweave is gauged to arrive at any rate value worth of $48 with a most extreme cost of $57 in the year 2023. The Arweave gauge predicts the typical cost all through the year is supposed to exchange close $53. Arweave Value Forecast 2024. According to the information forecast models and Arweave our cost expectation, the base value level of Arweave will be $60. The most extreme cost will be $68 with a typical exchanging cost of around $65 all through 2024. Arweave Value Forecast 2025. As indicated by the specialized examination and our cost expectation for the year 2025, the base cost of Arweave will be $65 and the most extreme value level will be $80. According to the Arweave gauge, the typical cost will exchange around $74 in 2025. Putting resources into this coin according to this cost would be helpful for the financial backers in the year 2025. Arweave Value Forecast 2026. The drawn-out cost forecast model shows that the base cost of R is supposed to be $70. The greatest cost of R will be $89 while keeping up with the typical cost of $83